Ever accidentally overspent on Venmo? Maybe you split a dinner with friends, but accidentally paid more than your share. Or maybe you sent money to the wrong person. Whatever the reason, you find yourself staring at your Venmo balance, and it's flashing a terrifying shade of red. You're officially in the negative. Now what? Panic sets in, right? Don't worry, I've been there. And today, we're diving deep into the world of negative Venmo balances. We'll uncover the truth about late fees, potential account restrictions, and most importantly, how to get back to the black. So buckle up, because this Venmo journey might get a little bumpy. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Are there late fees for a negative Venmo balance? The short answer is no. Venmo itself doesn't charge late fees for outstanding balances. Phew, right? But don't get too comfortable. While there's no direct late fee from Venmo, there can be indirect consequences. Think of it like this: if you owe money to a friend on Venmo, they have the option to request payment. Now, if you consistently ignore these requests or fail to repay the debt, it can strain your relationships. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be that friend. Furthermore, a persistent negative balance can impact your Venmo account's overall standing. Venmo may limit your ability to send or receive payments, or even temporarily restrict your account altogether. This can be a major inconvenience, especially if you rely on Venmo for everyday transactions like splitting bills or sending money to family. So, how do you escape the dreaded red zone? The most obvious solution is to simply pay back the money you owe. Easier said than done, right? But here's the good news: Venmo makes it relatively easy to repay your debts. Check your Venmo balance frequently, keep an eye on your transactions to ensure you haven't overspent. Respond promptly to payment requests. If a friend requests payment, acknowledge it and make a plan to repay them as soon as possible. Prioritize repayments. Make repaying your Venmo debts a priority in your budget. Consider transferring funds from your bank account. Venmo allows you to easily transfer money from your bank account to your Venmo balance. And if you're really struggling, don't hesitate to reach out to your friends. A simple conversation can often resolve the issue. Explain the situation and work together to find a mutually agreeable repayment plan. Chances are, they'll understand. We've all been there. Now, let's talk about some important things to keep in mind. Understand the terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's terms of service. This will give you a clear understanding of your rights and responsibilities as a user. Be mindful of your spending habits. Before making any transactions, always double-check the amount and ensure you have sufficient funds in your Venmo balance. Use Venmo responsibly. Treat Venmo with the same respect you would any other financial tool. A negative Venmo balance doesn't have to be a financial disaster. By understanding the potential consequences and taking proactive steps to resolve the issue, you can quickly get back on track. Ultimately, a negative Venmo balance serves as a reminder of the importance of responsible financial practices. Whether it's Venmo, credit cards, or any other form of payment, it's crucial to be mindful of your spending and to always pay your debts on time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.